Hello friends, in this lecture mole concept will be discussed. Okay, so subscribe the channel, like and share the videos. Okay friends, mole concept. Today we are going to discuss mole concept. First, let us know what is mole. One mole is the amount of a substance that contains as many particles or entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12. It means that 12 gram of carbon 12 consists of some fixed number of atoms. If any substance having the same number of atoms in that situation or in that case, the amount of a substance is called 1 mole. Okay, so 1 mole is the measurement of the amount of a substance. I hope that many of the students you couldn't understand the statement what has been mentioned here. Not a problem, no need to worry. Next we will see what is happening. Yeah, this is very important, how to calculate number of moles. This is the backbone of the mole concept. This is the main important formula, how to calculate number of moles when weight of the substance, molecular weight of this substance are given. At the same time we will see. So number of moles, again I have been repeating, this is a very important formula. Number of moles equal to weight of the substance by molecular weight of the substance. For example, 5 grams of water molecule. So weight of the substance 5. What about the molecular weight of the water? H2O 18. So 5 by 18 equal to, you will get some number of moles. That is the meaning. So sometimes what we do, weight of the substance to be calculated, you will be given number of moles and molecular weight of the substance. Then you are supposed to calculate weight of the substance. Otherwise, weight of the substance and a number of moles will be given. We have to calculate molecular weight of the substance. So whatever the criteria, okay. Number of moles equal to weight of the substance by molecular weight of the substance. This is very important formula. You should remember. Clear? You should practice. Exactly look at, this is very important, the weight of the substance. Whatever the substance here present, exactly this is a molecular weight of the substance. Already you know how to calculate a molecular weight or molecular mass of the substance. Okay. Next. 1 mole of any substance contains 6.022137 into 10 power 23 particles. 1 mole of any substance contains 6.022. Just remember this one, 6.022. You no need to by heart 1367. Enough here. 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. So what is the meaning here? 1 mole of any substance. Take any substance in the nature. If it is 1 mole, that contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. Have you understood? Very simple. Just I would like to make you understand. For example, take your class 11th class or 11th science. Okay. Let 35 students are present. Individual students are individual. Okay, 35 students are present. But number of working days, school working days, number of school working days is fixed for all the students. Whatever the student, whatever the background of the student, whether he is rich, poor, whatever they, but for one student, number of working days is fixed. Similarly, 1 mole of any substance contains, any substance, if it is 1 mole, this is very important. Substance if 1 mole that contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. Remember this number, this is very important number. Clear? Yes, this number, what is the other name? Avogadro constant, represented by Na equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23. This is very important number. That number is known as Avogadro number. Next one. 1 mole of any gas contains 22.4 liters of volume at STP. Students, main, 1 mole of any substance means here 1 mole of any gas or 1 mole of any liquid or 1 mole of any solid. Here substance means it may be liquid, gas or solid. Any substance contains 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. Come here, 1 mole of, I didn't mention any substance. What was mentioned here? Any gas. 1 mole of any gas. Take 1 mole of nitrogen gas, 1 mole of oxygen gas, 1 mole of helium, 1 mole of hydrogen, whatever it may be. If it is 1 mole, that gas contains 22.4 liters of the volume. This is very, very important number. 22.4 liters of volume at STP, standard temperature pressure. Okay. One mole of hydrogen atoms equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. Okay, this is very, very important. Once have a look. 1 mole of what is mentioned here, hydrogen atoms, equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 hydrogen atoms is mentioned here, also hydrogen atoms. Next, 1 mole of hydrogen molecules equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 hydrogen molecules. Left hand side is hydrogen molecules is present, so right hand side also hydrogen molecules. Okay, for example, next, equal to 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 hydrogen atoms. So how? This is important. How? Look here, 6.022 into 10 power 23 hydrogen molecules, but we are converting hydrogen molecules to the hydrogen atoms. So hydrogen molecules, we know H2. What is the atomicity of the hydrogen molecule? 2. Hydrogen molecule is the combination of 2 hydrogen atoms. So multiply this number, entire number, with 2 hydrogen atoms, then hydrogen molecules become hydrogen atoms. Next, 1 mole of nitrogen atoms equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 nitrogen atoms. 1 mole of nitrogen molecules equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 nitrogen molecules. Now again we are going to convert, or we are converting nitrogen molecules to the nitrogen atoms. One nitrogen molecule equal to 2 nitrogen atoms. Nitrogen molecule N2. You know already nitrogen molecule, I will write here. Yeah. This is the nitrogen molecule N2. So nitrogen molecule, how many nitrogen atoms are present? 2. So now we have to multiply. 1 mole of nitrogen molecules equal to 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23 nitrogen atoms. 1 mole of water molecules equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 water molecules, equal to how many atoms? This is the question for you. This is the question for you. Next, 1 mole of sodium chloride 0.022 into 10 power 23 formula units. In the case of sodium chloride and calcium chloride, we use formula units and formula mass. Okay, remaining is same as usual. So 1 mole of sodium chloride equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 formula units of sodium chloride. Here sodium chloride is present left hand side, and the right side also sodium chloride and sodium chloride. Now check all of you. Everything is 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole, 1 mole, and 1 mole of water, 1 mole of sodium chloride. Number is fixed, 6.022 10 power 23, 6.022 10 power 23. But here changed again, because hydrogen molecules equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 hydrogen molecules. There is no change. But in this case what I have done, I have converted hydrogen molecules into the hydrogen atoms. So we are multiplying with 2. I hope that you have understood. If you don't understand, you can contact me, try to understand. Okay. This is very, very important. Meanings are very important. Hydrogen atoms, hydrogen molecules, nitrogen atom, nitrogen molecule. Again, hydrogen gas. Again, hydrogen gas represents hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen atom doesn't represent the hydrogen gas. Atom is different because hydrogen gas H2, atomicity 2. So hydrogen molecule and hydrogen gas both are same. Okay, while solving the numericals we may face the problems. Nitrogen molecule and nitrogen gas same. Oxygen molecule and oxygen gas again same. Okay, so atom is different from the molecule and gas. Already we have studied in case of the atomicity. Next, 1 mole of any gas contains 22.4 liters of volume at STP. 1 mole of hydrogen gas means H2, 22.4 liters of volume. 1 mole of nitrogen gas N2 contains 22.4 liters of volume at STP. Okay. Yeah. Next one, molar mass. Next one, molar mass. So already we discussed molecular mass. So mass of the molecule. Molecular mass, simply it is a mass of the molecule. Molecule consists of some number of atoms. If you add the mass of all the atoms, then we will get mass of the molecule, that is called molecular mass. Molecular mass, that is. But what is present here? This is a molar mass. Molar mass. So what is the difference between, basic difference between molecular mass and molar mass? Okay, we will see. The mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams is called its molar mass. This is the difference. So in the case of the molecular mass, what you mentioned? We mentioned unified mass, a U symbol. Okay, we didn't mention grams. Okay, so the mass of 1 mole of a substance, if you take that mass in terms of the grams, then it is called molar mass. In terms of the unified mass, then that is molecular mass. But if the mass is measured in terms of the grams, then it is called molar mass. That is the difference only remaining as usual. The molar mass in grams is numerically equal to the atomic or molecular or formula mass in U. Molar, this is the difference. Molar mass of water equal to 18 gram per mole. This is very, very important, because check the definition. The mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams. 1 mole of a substance in grams. So gram per mole. So 18 gram per mole. This is the molar mass of the water. Molecular mass of the water equal to 18U. Molar mass of the sodium chloride equal to 58.5 gram per mole. Molecular mass or molecular weight of the sodium chloride equal to 58.5 U. Okay. Next one, this is the homework for you. A total 11 questions are present here. Try to solve the questions. Try to understand what is given in the question. The main thing is that what is the difference between atom and molecule. Read the question carefully and try to solve. Okay. Thank you for watching my video.